Hey testers, in the dynamic landscape of software development, ensuring quality and performance is essential. Project management tools play a crucial role in maintaining organization and efficiency amid the complexities of multiple projects. New Relic serves as a comprehensive observability platform collecting data from applications, infrastructure, and logs to provide insights into how your system is performing and where the potential problem lies. When integrated with Lambda Test, it provides a seamless view of test results in a customized New Relic dashboard. This integration goes beyond surface level by monitoring and providing a deeper understanding of automation scripts. It allows teams to troubleshoot efficiently and optimize their software systems, enabling the rapid delivery of high-quality products. Now, let's get started with setting up the Lambda Test and New Relic integration. To get started, you would require a Lambda Test profile. You can create your profile by heading over to the Lambda Test website. The link is given in the description below. Head to Integrations and select New Relic from the Analytics section. Click on the icon to add it. You will be presented with an instance window asking you to enter the license key and region to enable integration. Now, log into your New Relic account to access the required credentials. Visit the Relic dashboard, click on the Add Data button and search for Lambda Test. Copy the license key details that you'll be able to see on the sidebar and paste it into your Lambda Test integration settings for New Relic. Next, you can select your preferred region from the options available. There you go, you have successfully integrated your Lambda Test account with New Relic. After successful integration, New Relic will trigger the log ingestion to create the Lambda Test dashboards, that is, Lambda Test Test Overview and Lambda Test Test Error Overview in your directory. You will be able to view an option that says Done, click on it and select the option that says See Your Data. Now, you will be redirected to your Lambda Test dashboard. Click on Test Overview Dashboard to get insight into your testing trends. Click on Test Error Overview Dashboard to understand your test error trends. In this case, all the tests that I ran were successful, hence there's 0 error tests in the dashboard. Check out our detailed support doc to set up this integration and take your testing workflow to the next level. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to Lambda Test YouTube channel for more such videos.